Okay, let's look at the difference of a Silver's Neomax coilover with the Swift springs versus the one without the default or the standard spring. Both of them are effective. I recommend, the standard, the default spring for most everyday drivers. There's no real reason to spend the extra $400 for the Swift springs unless you really plan on getting the most out of your vehicle regarding maneuverability, handling at high rate speeds, tracking, racing, a high performance drive. If you're not doing that, then there's really no reason for you to spend the additional $400 for the Swift racing springs. Again, these are racing springs. These are the best springs that they offer for the Silver's Neomax, and these are well respected. The brand is very well respected. Swift springs are high performance springs. So you can see obviously the different color here. This has kind of the burnt orange copper look to them versus the standard ones, which are black. And so again, for everyday driving, these are just fine. I've used these every time for all of my SLs. But for this SL that I have here, the SL55 that I'm about to do, or I'm actually in the process of doing a coilover swap on, I'm actually using the Swift springs. I want to do that so that I can tell the difference, so that I can explain the difference to customers who decide to spend the extra money and go this route. I know some other people who have SLs, who have other vehicles, and they use Swift springs on their vehicles because they are tuner cars owners. They actually race their car. So, of course, if you're going for the best upgrades that you can do to your vehicle, the best performance, then go with the Swift. If you're looking for everyday comfortable driving, full adjustability, they feel good, they're firm enough, they're soft enough, go with the standard setup. There's no reason to spend extra money. But I'm going to do it so that I can explain to you all what the difference is firsthand experience.